In today's metals markets, let's take a look at gold futures as they continue to find higher price action today. Gold futures trading higher for a fourth consecutive session. Today we're looking at the futures market trading up about 1.3% or 1.33% at the 2754 level, which is a 1 month high, just over a 1 month high for the gold futures market as it continues to maintain this upward momentum as we move through the week. And driving factors today, I think there's a couple things influencing the market. Number one, U.S. data this morning. We had CPI data come in line with expectations. There was some talk before the release of this data that could be a little hotter than the expectations as we got closer to the number, but in line was viewed as a positive. And I think that that's one of the catalysts as it did shift the dynamic even more so in terms of the Fed, that the odds of them cutting next week are very much a high probability now. It was high going into that number, but now it's even higher at about 96% when you look at the CME FedWatch tool. And so, therefore, I think that's one of the catalysts as to why we're seeing higher prices in gold. Couple that with central bank activity. We continue to hear, and it does appear that central banks are accumulating gold, and that has been a factor throughout the year, and I think that continues to be a factor as we did see some selling pressure, and now it appears that gold has shifted towards momentum to the upside. Now, looking at the general trends, gold, as I mentioned, is trading up to a 1 month high, but we are continuing to see higher price action. Since those September lows, gold has maintained this upward levels and upward trend, and so once again taking out the highs that we did see a couple of weeks ago and now trading up to the highest level in a month. It does appear short term that gold has reestablished this upward momentum. And when you look at the metals markets, really gold is the one beneficiary today. We're seeing silver slightly higher today, but and mixed price action in the other metals markets. But gold maintaining this upward momentum for a fourth session, trading up to a 1 month high.